Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25-inch Qualcomm Android screen in a BMW 335 Coupe. We install our trunk handle mount camera. The car is manual transmission. We add our iDrive knob. That's how the screen looks like. The screen is fully touch. That's the home page. That you can download any app as a navigation, offline maps on this unit. Even you can do offline Google Maps and use it as your offline map, which doesn't need data. That's the communication, which is like Bluetooth, and you can do Bluetooth music streaming. You can play songs, you can play video.
The ultimate secret weapon.
If you give godlike powers to everyone, it's going to be chaos.
So how do we stop him?
I know a guy.
The latest Qualcomm comes in 1920 resolution. Also, you can choose the blue screen, which is exclusively from 4x4 Shop. And that's the dash. You can change it to comfort, you can change it to sport, or to echo. As I said, this is a Qualcomm screen, so you can add SIM card to the unit. So by going to network, you can see you have the option to connect to Wi-Fi, so you can turn on the hotspot from your phone and connect your phone and share the data, and it comes with a mobile network, so you can connect your SIM card directly inside the unit and use the data from the SIM card. And right now I'm doing wireless CarPlay. So I'm using my iPhone to do the CarPlay. I can do Google Maps, I can do Waze, I can do Spotify. Spotify comes with the detailed album, and also you can see the picture of the album and the title. And Waze is here, and also you can go back to the main menu. And Google Store is there. You can download any apps you like. You can download Google Maps, Waze, or any other apps, YouTube, or any TV apps directly inside the unit. And this BMW 335 is manual transmission. So by going to reverse, we get the rear camera with dynamic parking guidelines. So by turning the steering wheel, dynamic parking guideline turns too. By going back to drive, it goes back to the main menu. If you're interested to get these type of units, you can buy them online from 4x4shop.ca, or you can give us a call and book your appointment at 905-604-4294. Again, this is a E90 335, and it's a cutting dash, and you can see the screen is fully secured, and you just need to cut the dash carefully and mount the screen, and it gives a new look inside your older BMW. Thank you and have a great day.